No connection problem. Hello guys, in this short tutorial I'm gonna show you 3 ways to fix Snapchat no connection problem. So the first way is open settings, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page you will find all the apps. Go to the Snapchat app. Now this is the app informations page. All what you want to do here is click on data usage. Make sure that all these network access options are enabled. After that, go back, click on the power usage details, click down here on force stop and then go back, click on storage, click on clear cache, clear data. That's the first way. The second way is you have to go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for Snapchat and update it. And the third way and the last one is you actually have to remove Snapchat from your phone and re-download it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.